Yeah, my baby akwa ba eba attention TV so biom se na me kan ye no we the Tvgh show attention TV so mediane akosa sparkles na se na me kan de den won't e bin bada na wonte da ene de bro na me shasia na me de Charles ni ama ana sha se na obi anim no as Shatta Wale 21st of October 2021 IGP nya ni de obo wa kro be chew in the say what came no one shed those mask na obo wa kai say police for do achi oba ye osoma the boys say onkoche Charles Niyama obi anim ne say Shatta Wale embra ankafo police station na ye de tete ye baby ana ye hu say me kra de me da ho na me call me status na me ko hu say Shatta Wale has been shot na okodu IGP hono no IGP asema o ka chene ne say adenti na ye kan brofo mu a fear and panic or the fear and panic aba ye maimu say ye shoot no or say ye shoot no na or say eden ho asem ana owoka na hosto na okoka say sofu bi ekotena radio station so e ka say sa 21st na 18th of sa October no sofu ne hyen kom say ye be shoot ono Shatta Wale no to say ono okra won ti asese so futimi esori atimi kan wo abontin say 18th of October Shatta Wale ye be shoot wato abontin so obi anwe ho obi akranti ase ono Shatta Wale no tena ho na ka say na sofi we hu bibia fa me ho adenti na o mbe kan kire me Charles Niyama na Shatta Wale obi animi na utimi sorry kwatena radio so utimi ka say ye be shoot me ho na wanti ase ana ono so de ono say 18th na dudi a ontwen ema obi mbeku no nti ono ankasa no ebe create sa fear and panic no na so embomu o create sa fear and panic wie ye no de to ni Facebook page epa the fans phone na actual say enye ono na se na me kan ye no sofo no ni statement na oyeye no ana ema ne yes na okopie mu wo IGP office na o chechire mu na chere ni wie no ana o ka say ya chine dia ena de nsna wan koche sofo yimba na sofo yi kra won say maka sofo ya won hu sofo yi ko sofo no ye na ye nim ne say Bishop Stephen Akwesi Apia Bishop Stephen Akwesi Apia will be anim say Jesus Ahoufe or that New Life Kingdom Chapel ano or that New Life Kingdom Chapel ano ehona say no bi anti as ente honna ade chin ye no won say na obi an hyada anti as any shooting ya say nti ade chin ye no ana yes ye hu say Shatta Wale ono ne papa aye fe ne medical ono say yes we display too ewo youth social media sama yes ono say akograp no but ensi ho IGP de ne Shatta Wale ni Jesus Ahoufe de no enne Shatta Wale eba kopie mu Accra Circuit Court minya be ma bi wa ha ye friend chief mene no ebe twetwe nsem yi ho IGP a wa be se na Sunday Saturday no obi kotwa no ho wo Accra ho no airport ho side no kotwa no wa de chen no azo ano no odun se Ghana ha ebrani ha na maybe yene mene ni be twetwe nkomo bako mienu bi afa Shatta Wale ni Jesus Ahoufe yi ho chief minya be ma chief meje de se ho sisi ho so
ya mi adom ho ya o hema akusia
na asema se say eda puno so Jesus Ahoufe nsem ya okotena radio so e ka say 18th of October ye be shoot Shatta Wale so antena ho amayam be shoot no bro from ye be ka ne say fear and panic o create wo ye man yi mu a say fans cry ye nya ye te say nkofo bi cry suye on say mi mom na meti na me say na mom Shatta Wale ye shoot ni dia na se see na spread fast na Shatta Wale ka the body na da him no one twen ama shoot ni ankoso a ono nkasa create ni fear and panic no nso wa dream mo na say untwe mu no obefa ne say
yeah me das pa say wa me say akonye o jumadi so na ensem bo a wo dwene ho kra onti ase wo dwene ho onti ase se nipa wotwo na wo a obetimi create bibi ama ho se ya botu me dwene ho amenti ase ba ya fan free
Jesus Ahoufe
eso se we nyame nipa nyame asra ho a wo de ejuma woni hu ade nti kabede me hu ne se wotumi hu se bibi sei ebeto obi wo man ma nipa na sebe so he teach you wo man nim wo hu bibi sa no den na senka we asosofo otumi to nsa frɛ no etumi si ho kwan because Bible na said that he reveals to redeem very good nti ka otumi de eto nsa frɛ no ene ne bon komo na said mo pon pa yesi ho kwan o ma na kwankyere bi na bibi ba otumi betena radio so ekasa that means what you're also doing is one cause fear and panic to the personality himself.
Okay.
So what I say, me share video a friend is saying also for men's at Otabel. Oh, now sorry, now see him. It was like say a soften be mu yes sir. You also cause fear and panic to the personality because if nipa know our plans a year ahead, 2 years ahead, 5 years ahead, and you tell him this what are you trying to imply? Okay. You are cutting off the person's dream. So what I say, into one example, panic crying, you know, think wow, you also for no. It will be two and suffer any pan, and then the bomb pie, and I'm not conscious. First, I can move for so change, say, overcome the trust.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I think so. Black Rasta will be a new Mr. No see radio personality, or no see that continue radio. Say, Shatta Wale, a junkie boy. Now, he should rest in jail. Now, I don't know as I'm no eba because say. Years back in 2015, Shatta Wale took a chair. Black Pastor say, on trying no, so obe losing the job. And I quite say, I say beef be that on team. Is it right? Say Black Rasta, a bit now ready so aka and say you name say Shatta Wale is going through something that is not, let's say, some people say it's not normal. Some people say maybe he's sick, and is it the right time to also say that?
To me, no, right time when I saw
okay.
Now, let's say evidence being no why it says that only a junkie boy.
Okay.
And the word junkie, I can't what I say. Very good. We need right to be also or casa channel. Because the guy is going through something right now. Now, wouldn't it be if you car? I don't know what 9 years I didn't. I don't know what chance to be to know and sana.
Over
casa, yes. And then you say the idea if the Black Rasta can insist so mommy. This is not the time for him to say that.
Okay. Was so Anna personality be so at the core ne Instagram page I friend Bridget Otu and also Kase Nam1 is chilling in his East Legon mansion for scamming people. Nam1 scheme has killed people, rendered others jobless, and others still have their funds locked up. Nti adentina omuntimi enkoche Nam1 so but just say Shatta Wale no creative fear and panic keno omatimi akoche no no ode bae fela makafu Mrs. Frimpong no obi anim say your friend Shatta Wale maame or no so Shatta Wale my son ode te wo ono so ni Instagram page and in a Twitter page say #free Shatta Wale ho ana bidit also to be kasa some nti so muntwe mu no so say e betimi agrabe IGB betimi so agrabe na mo anana
well kwan bi so no IGP wo ho kwan
okay
so betimi ache na mo
okay
because o hwe na mo ne nsem mu a amanfo bebre bi kire ma sabi sabi ngwa ede efiri mu
okay
mu sika hye what I say people invested in men's gold it's so amanfo so bia and sometimes I am be twin Jonas echi okay say the system is not working and it's true the system does not work, it's not even working okay. So as I say because me who say ye di nsem ye chi besi ne na mo na ekosi sai angosi aga amanfo sika ide akem nti o say me to me no nya aka IGP bet me ato no basa hwe nsem ya let's help omom sika na kokemu get their money back okay sir
okay and Shatta Wale any Jesus Ahoufe nsem na yeguso ye king Shatta Wale ebepie wo court Accra High Court and then 25th of October 2021 ewo Accra High Court and then ye hope say IGP ebe consider no na obema no obetimi ema na futu obi a opie ba on bayesa na akrobeto so akabibi ebisa Shatta Wale say Shatta Wale fame be nko na wo pe but person beside say was this about fame or was this about the fear and panic also that Jesus Ahoufe also created for Shatta Wale because the who way say as a mitone be say be come 18th of October na 18th of October ya so na de be sama me akoda me ken so fe oni me fie oni be bia mete oni wahwehwe me rounds na ebia onu so betima so bia ma ya be kume ama na ya say in come share no share abel enti what Acrobet is saying is it because of fame or just because of the fear and panic Jesus Ahoufe as create ma Shatta Wale
Okay, very nice question. Will be seven now. Me akasa no two sides on this very question. Now, who say one? Shatta Wale wanted also for no. Oh, he wanted him to know say he can't decide
for him.
What I say? Nyame na mampa. Nyame na yidi pefu. Sana me hunu. So no person maso for no say nyame ense the send the time aso.
The time
very good.
And no catch you.
No. And on the other way no so me hunu say Shatta na zimo yan shada ante no ho nsem bebre. That say wale low kakra. Oh so on the other hand no na me hunu say we nya opportunity and anko person the trend kakra. But to me hunu say no, it was on a wrong move.
Okay, so the trending was there and the fear and panic also was there.
Okay. Say there's an opportunity between me and after so they are trending. Okay, fine. But now me so say nko be fan of and say you are born to. To me no, there are so many ways and waiting after so they are trending because me for now me say no as well low kakra yente no ho nsem. Just a we page and say okay fine. Then let me use this opportunity for me to like do my own thing.
Okay.
Yeah, but I mean who say it was on a very wrong move.
Okay.
Yes.
And Shatta Wale say na acrobat ni which kano. If it was for the fame, then it was a wrong move, but also the fear and panic was also there. So we say all the best to Shatta Wale this morning as he reappears in court, the Accra Circuit Court to be precisely. Richie, who the baby who the viewer? Nene who fashion giant quite.
Well, the mechanic say asem wakota yen kan wa asem bebre. Sa yen kan wa asem bebre. Enti say yen so ye boase na yen twɛn na dia judge no e wo ka bia no ye hu because on the final person bit mama verdict no na ye hu na enensem ye friend saying parliament e be resume office ochina parliament be resume office ochina na ye be hwe say
LGBTQ+1 but unim say that no na me hwehwe hu nsem bi me san hu LGBTQ+2 I know yes say two souls no two souls na you guys will get involved no and yes are two souls and say no a +2 and to say oh yeah +1 meaning say what kechire oh yeah +2 what upgrade you
and then some sisi enti you say watching na me boa that's the 26th November 2021 parliament resume officer me hwe dey on wasem somebody atum onjin tum na oy mama me ka say me a elkoso nsure regional minister honorable Henry Cotti the same year to do say efiti 1st November tricycle ya ehun ye friend aboboya we say na say omoboa omosesa ball and nioma omoboa because so we zoom line cars in tracks ya entumi nko areas biasa nti aboboya eboa esesa ball and ade
and scrap
very good now I say 1st November yes mom you see highways no but one kasa osha for some time now we come kwa na we say aboboya bi ni nam highways near there most of them no omokofa ball and they dump it on the roadside and stuff and to you know when you say wow say say regional minister say omonfi highway no so and what do you think about it?
Okay, so my view on this thing is if he has created a way for them to pass to say omonfi a highway no so normal for ahaseya it will be okay because this aboboya okay they cause trouble. I was once in a car at Kaneshi aboboya no obia fa on say na it's okay traffic actually so omo fa kwan ni mo omo fa I think the foot bridge outer lane no nti omo fa so aboboya ba ko de so no be fa kwan ni mo nti as he was coming no na traffic no e move ye na ne car no aboboya no etwi car no
okay
just a cause problem and you can say bola no almost maybe they don't get an income which is heavy on it. So I think that if the minister has created a way for them to pass on, a road for them to pass on, then I think it's a good idea.
Well, we hope so.
So.
Yes, the minister will put like things in place, for them. Yes. See, the honorable Akano, then you work the team for and you heard the opinion. I can say,
no, Obekane say I can't for acting.
Yeah, honorable the at one was from 1st November, Aboboya for any Mosempa.
Richie, but some was to say, obeka me ho tetebet so e wa attention TV
Miss me that
so adofo no ahanom na ye de the tetebet so e wo attention TV so ebesi na dwumadi a wo so yasno ye University Foundation say oboy kuna for ba wona woni bi any more browa so pesa wo bo almost wa obetimi enya wo mo number we 054830 2985 054 830 2985 Midiane Akosias Pakos yes ambition